It's come to my attention that you can claim a free VR cover facial interface from Oculus. It seems they're worried about discomfort or reactions with the foam pad that ships as standard. And I've not had a reaction per se, but after a long period of Beat Saber or Thrill of the Fight, it does leave a mark, and the sweat goes into the foam. It's just not nice. So the one they're offering to replace it with is the VR cover facial interface, which is actually leather on the outside, so it shouldn't soak up sweat as much. So let's take a quick look at how you can claim one for yourself. First off, click the link below, which will bring you to the ticketing system for Oculus. Click Submit a Request up on the right hand side. And choose your reason below as concerned about skin reaction using the Quest 2 facial interface. From there, fill in your details, email address, name, phone number, and then select your reason for contacting them below. So if you have an older headset, you can click here and they will send you one out straight away. It looks like they may have changed the interface after January 4th, so if you have a newer headset, you're going to want to speak to them here and tell them that you are still having issues with the interface and request a VR one be sent out for you. For me, mine was one of the original ones, so I take this. And you can either choose you're concerned about irritation or you've already experienced it. You need to give them the email address for your Oculus account, where you've purchased it from, and order number or purchase number from where you got it from. They would also like your serial number, and you can get this a couple of different ways. If you remove the strap from the side that sits on the left side of your face, there's a sticker under there, and it'll tell you your serial number. The easier way that I found is I already had the Oculus app installed on my phone, so when I opened it up on my phone, it just showed me the serial number of my headset. And then hit submit. Quite soon after that, you will get this email that just acknowledges that you've requested one, and within 1 to 3 business days, you should hear from them. I didn't, and I chased it up, and they told me to wait 7 to 10 days. And 8 days after my initial request, I received this email. And once you click that link, it tells you there you add it to your basket and have it sent to your house free of charge. Once you click the link, it will bring you to this page. And once you're logged in, it shows you an empty basket. Scroll down a little bit and you can add it to your basket. Once you go to your basket, you'll see you did add one item for $29, but they have taken the $29 off and it's free shipping, and they will deliver to the UK. And today is the 20th, and they're telling me I should receive it by the 29th, which isn't too bad. Now you get to the delivery page, fill in your name, address, phone number, and once you're done, just hit place order. And that's it. Now sit and wait patiently for your new interface to arrive through the post. And that's it. Nice and quick and easy. If you found this useful, if you found it helpful, hit like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you again next time.